Good day, kids. Here we are again with another episode of our Information and Communication Technology 6 Learnings. Today, we will discuss about gathering and organizing information using ICT. After you finish this video, you must be able to explain the advantages and disadvantages of using online tools to gather data. I am your teacher, James Christian Urbeo, and I hope you would listen attentively with the discussion I have prepared for you. So, sit back, relax and enjoy learning. What is online survey? Is an innovative, easier, and faster way to deliver surveys, collect results, and analyze results using online system. It is a tool that is used to define questions and the possible answers using the internet. The link to these survey questions is then sent to the participants who will answer the survey online. This tool is utilized to determine any of the following: feedback for products and services, market research, customer feedback, employee satisfaction. Advantages of using online tools to gather data. 1. Collecting data is faster, distribution is quick, and response time 2. More accurate. Cuts down errors. 3. Cheaper. Saves money and time. 4. Easier to analyze, results are available immediately for analysis. Data can be presented in graphs or tables. 5. Easier to use. Design and layout can be customized to your own style. Disadvantages of online survey tools. 1. Inability to reach other sample. Respondents must have internet. 2. Survey fraud. Some participate on the survey for the sake of getting incentive, and there is no way of checking whether the survey is completed by the right respondent. 3. Absence of interviewer. Respondent has nobody to ask for explanations. Different types of online survey tool. 1. SurveyMonkey is the most popular online survey tool and is very easy to use. Its free version includes 10 questions, 100 respondents, 15 question types, and choice of light theme. 2. Survey Gizmo is a great free survey platform even with its free version. Here are free version features: its unlimited survey questions, free templates, and basic reporting. 3. Google Forms is an online survey tool that provides a fast way to get information for meetings and conferences. Google Forms features unlimited survey and respondents. It allows answers and data to be automatically collected in Google spreadsheets. Images and videos can also be added. The survey may be embedded into emails or websites. 4. Quick Surveys allows you to create online surveys, quizzes, and polls for free, and unlimited requires. What is Google Form? Is an online survey tool that provides a fast way to get information for meetings and conferences. Google Forms features unlimited survey and respondents. It allows answers and data to be automatically collected in Google spreadsheets. Images and videos can also be added. The survey may be embedded into emails or websites. To create an online survey using Google Forms, VAU must have the following: Google account, Chrome web browser, Google One-Click Forms web application. Steps in creating Google Forms. 1. Navigate to https://docs.google.com/forms/ and click blank. Google Forms has a number of pre-made templates to choose from, and you can view them all by clicking more. Two. Creating Google Survey Forms. Click Google Forms from right option to choose between opening a blank form or creating a new form from a template. 3. Google Forms Settings. From the Form page, there are two tabs at the top of the form: tab for questions, and the other responses. Select any tab, click Formatting Options by clicking the More icon, the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings icon. The Settings dialog box appears. Four, naming the Google Forms survey. 5. Adding Google survey questions. Click Untitled Question to add your question. Click the More icon in the lower right corner. Add a description if the question needs explanation. The down arrow on the right of the question brings up the question type drop-down menu. Different type of questions. The question type drop-down menu appears below. One, text short answer. This question type used for obtaining very short text input from the user, such as their name or email address. 2. Paragraph. This type of question requests a longer or essay response, such as for general comments. 3. Multiple choice. This type of question provides a list of several answers, but the user can select only one answer. 4. Checkboxes. This is another multiple choice list, only this time the user can select more than one answer. Data validation. Specify the minimum, maximum, or exact number of answers. 5. Drop-down. This is a multiple-choice style question presented in the form of a drop-down list. The user can only choose one answer and cannot add their own choice. Six. Linear scale asks the respondent to rank things on a scale of, by default, 1 to 5. The label for a score of 1 would be good job and 5 would be excellent. 7. Multiple choice grid. A multiple choice grid allows the user to select predefined options for more than one choice.